May the 27th, this Thursday edition of the Carolina Weather Video here. I'm meteorologist Matthew East, and I want to start you off with another snapshot this morning from the Avalon Pier web camera. And there's been lots of higher than normal surf as well as rip current potential up and down the Carolina coast over the past couple of days as we've had that coastal low sort of sitting and spinning offshore. It's also brought some showers at times to the coast, but that low pulling farther away. This is the satellite imagery this morning, and the center of that low pressure is right there, and that is moving farther eastward, and so less and less in the way of impacts on that low here in the Carolinas. Now let's look back at the severe weather reports yesterday. Had a lot of wind and hail damage reports come in through the New England states, and it was really an impressive day yesterday in the New England states. Not only did you have severe weather in some sections, you had some extremely hot temperatures. In fact, you had Hartford, Connecticut yesterday with a high temperature of 99 degrees. That is their hottest May temperature on record. And this is one of those cases where we're going to have warm air advection here in our area today with northerly winds, as the conditions overall have been warmer off to our north, and that is going to be advecting down our way as we go through the course of today. So today will be the hottest day of the week around here. High temperatures 90 to 92 or 3 degrees across most of the Piedmont. The radar very quiet across our region this morning. Temperature-wise, notice a lot of warmth all across the eastern part of the United States. Here's the upper air pattern forecast for 2 o'clock this afternoon, and yeah, it's going to be a pretty hot day today, but notice the orientation of the ridges and the troughs. The ridge is over the nation's midsection, trough out west, and a trough in the northeastern part of the country now. And that's going to allow a cold front to get driven down into our area over the next 36 hours. Now today, kind of like yesterday, there'll be some afternoon showers or storms pop up in the mountains, maybe a few spilling into the foothills, and I can't rule out an isolated storm in the northwest Piedmont, but most of us will be dry today. There's your day one convective outlook, a pretty decent slight risk area from New York into Pennsylvania, down into the Delmarva Peninsula area and northern Virginia as well. Now let's go out to tomorrow. I still think tomorrow, Friday, winds up being a pretty active day with good chances for showers and thunderstorms. Looks like we'll have a good coverage of shower and thunderstorm activity around, especially as we get into the afternoon and the evening hours tomorrow, and we do have the entire region outlined in that slight risk for severe weather. And again, we're talking mainly hail and wind potential, mainly Friday afternoon and Friday evening. All right, the big Memorial Day holiday weekend coming up here. This is Saturday. I'm going to maintain the chance for some areas of showers and thunderstorms Saturday, along with some cooler temperatures. Probably a lot of 70s for highs in a number of spots Saturday. But I do still think some improvement as the weekend unfolds. Sunday, sure, could be a few showers and storms around, but they'll be much fewer in number, I believe, than Saturday. And Memorial Day, mainly dry, although the next system begins to approach from the west, and that system will bring us pretty decent chances for showers and storms again as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday as well. So kind of back to the daily shower and storm chances again next work week. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful Thursday, and God bless.